Hey everyone, Jonathan here with today's Fish Fact Friday, Sea Creature Friday, however you want to call it. Today we're going to be exploring the bold, powerful, and probably one of the most instantly recognizable animals in the world. Is one of the ocean's most formidable predators, and that's going to be the tiger shark. These guys are also known as garbage cans of the sea because of their incredibly diverse diets. This shark plays a critical role in keeping marine ecosystems healthy. And today we're diving into the world of the tiger shark. So let's explore their identifying marks, where you're going to be able to find them, size, weight, lifespan, some other fun facts of these creatures. They get their name. It's very easy from their vertical stripes that you see along its body. However, these stripes typically are a lot more visible when they're juveniles compared to when they're adults. They kind of fade a little bit as the shark ages. Their body is long and muscular with a blunt, wide snout and a large, powerful head. Tiger sharks have a distinctively notched serrated teeth and kind of makes it like their can openers. This allows them to be able to slice through the materials that they're going to eat, such as sea turtle shells, bones, and even metal debris. Their coloration, typically, that you're going to see is blue gray to greenish on top, fading into a pale white underbelly. They also have large eyes and a long, sweeping tail, giving them a smooth but intimidating silhouette in the water. These are super cool to be able to look out and see them. You're going to typically find these guys in tropical or subtropical oceans worldwide. They prefer the warm waters and are commonly seen near coastlines, though they have the capability of traveling far offshore if they wish. Some places you're typically going to see these guys are going to be in Hawaii, the Caribbean, the Gulf of Mexico, eastern coast of the United States, Australia, and South Africa. Often you're going to find them in the coral reefs, lagoons, river mouths, in islands, especially in areas with abundant prey. They also are known to enter the shallow waters, which makes an increase encounters with humans, although the attacks are very rare relative to the number of people that are actually in the ocean out there. Tiger sharks are one of the largest predatory sharks. Adults will typically be between 10 to 14 feet in length, though some individuals will exceed 16 feet. And the large females can weigh upwards of 1,400 pounds, making them true heavyweights of the sea. They will have a lifespan of about 30 to 50 years. Some females tend to be larger than males and give birth to their young. And when they give birth, they're going to have anywhere between 10 and 80 pups in a single litter, which is one of the largest litter sizes of the sharks. Uh, they're famous for their extremely diverse diet. They'll eat almost anything that they can put into their mouths: fish, rays, sea turtles, birds, squid, crustaceans, and they'll even attack and eat smaller sharks. They've been found. This is why they're kind of garbage, um, known as the garbage can of the sea. They've been found to have license plates, tires, and clothing and metal objects in their stomachs too, which is how they earn their nickname. Uh, Tiger sharks are slow, stealthy hunters. They're just kind of cruising along quietly before launching a sudden attack. They rely on excellent eyesight and power, a powerful sense of smell, and electro electroreception to detect prey, even in murky water or at night. Some extra fun facts that they are: tiger sharks have one of the strongest bites of any shark species. Their teeth are constantly being replaced, and a single shark can go through thousands of teeth in its lifetime. Juvenile tiger sharks have much bolder stripes, as I mentioned earlier, which help camouflage them in the shallower waters. They're mostly solitary creatures, but sometimes they'll gather at large food sources. They can attract, excuse me, they can detect electrical signals from prey using its sensors, even if the prey is buried under the sand. And tiger sharks help maintain healthy ecosystems by controlling populations of sea turtles and other animals. They can tolerate brackish waters, allowing them to swim into estuaries and river mouths. And despite their fearsome reputation, tiger sharks are not mindless killers. They often investigate unfamiliar objects cautiously before deciding whether to bite them. So, all in all, tiger sharks one of those most powerful, adaptable, and incredibly important health uh, of the oceans out there. By keeping prey populations in balance, this really helps our sea life in our seas be healthy out there. So they're not mindless eaters, even though they have been known to eat pretty much anything. Again, just like you can throw anything into a garbage can. I hope you enjoyed today's Fish Fact Friday. Tune in for another one soon. Thanks and have a good day.